Hello friends, in the last video we saw how to summarize the Howard Marks memo. In this video we will continue to do the same thing for Berkshire Hathaway annual reports with a key difference that in the last video we make the summary of the entire Howard Marks memo, whereas in this Berkshire we will be filtering out a few contents which is of interest to us. As a note, whatever is there as tick mark has been already completed and the current use case is shaded in green. What I missed to show in the last video, I'm going to show you this. So the last video I uploaded a Howard Marks memo which was picked up from their website Oaktree Capital, and this was the PDF which was uploaded. In this video I'll be using the shareholder letters of Berkshire, and as we discussed, the 2024 letter has been already made available, and I'll be using this PDF for the demonstration purpose. So how the prompt goes like: analyze Warren Buffett's latest Berkshire Hathaway report. Instead of that, analyze the attached attached Berkshire annual report or Hathaway letter, shareholder letter, and provide detailed summary of insights specifically relevant to retail investors. Focus on investment principle, risk management, portfolio allocation, long-term wealth building, and Buffett's thoughts on market behavior. So this is the key. I'm trying to remove anything and everything about Berkshire Hathaway. I'm not interested in their financials. I'm not their shareholder. My only interest is to get some insights on how Warren Buffett views the market, or market behavior, or human behavior, or some tips on investing. So I'm not interested in their financials. So I'm telling very specifically, exclude any details about their financial, subsidiary operations, etc. Instead, only highlight what, as a retail or individual retail investor can apply in their own investment journey. So this is the way I have structured my prompt. As usual, I'm telling, use bullet points under proper headings. You can also use tables. As necessary. So let me now use tables as necessary. Let me now put this prompt in ChatGPT and see how the output comes out. So this is the 2024 letter, and the prompt is pasted here. So once upload is done, I'm just running the prompt. So what Buffett has spoken about investment principles in his recent shareholder letter, that is summarized: risk management, portfolio allocation. You can see the use of a table, long-term wealth building strategies, market behavior, and psychological lessons. Final takeaway. So this I can copy paste in a Word file and use it as a notes for rereading. Yeah, this 2-page summary or 2.5-page summary will be useful. But notwithstanding all this, though I have the summary or notes made, I will still go through the full memo once. If there are any points missing, I will be manually adding it. As I told you, remember, model can make mistakes, it can miss some information. So it is always better to test the prompt or test the output once. So since these are all valuable insights for me, I will just read the letter once, and anything is missing, I'll be manually adding it. Okay friends, bye till I catch you in my next video.